line segment. Line segment. Okay, what do you mean by the line segment? What is the difference between the line and a line segment? Okay, let's see. The line segment means, line segment is it's also a part of a line that connects two points. Okay, that connects 2 points, and it has a end point. Okay, the line segment have a end points. Okay, like this. Okay, this, yeah, here is a point A and this is point B. Okay, the line segment is a part of a line that connects the 2 points. Okay, here 2 points A and B, which connects the 2 points. This is a line segment. Okay, it is a part of a line that connects the 2 points, and it has a end point. This is an one end point, this is also a one end point. It cannot be further extended. Okay, is called a line segment, and line segment is represented like this. Okay, the line segment is, it's a part of a, okay, part of a line. It is a part of a line that connects 2 points. Okay, that connects that connects 2 points. 2 points is called a line segment, and the line segment has end points also. Okay, is this called a line segment. Next we move on to the angles. Okay, what do you mean by the angles? The angle means the measure of distance between two lines. Okay, when they are intersect each other are called a angles. Okay, what's the meaning of the angles? The measure of the measure of distance between, okay, the measure of distance the measure of distance between two lines. Okay, two lines or line segments, whatever it is. Okay, two lines when they are intersect each other. Okay, when they are intersect each other is called a angle. Okay, let's see. If suppose this is an one angle. Okay, sorry, this is an one line. When two lines are intersect each other. Okay, if another line is intersect with each other, okay, then we have to find out the measure of distance between two lines. For example, here now we have to find out this distance between this line and this line, or we have to measure this line and this, or this and this. Okay, these are all the angles. Okay, angle means the measure of distance between the two lines. Okay, the measure of distance between two lines when they are intersect each other. Okay, two lines having a one common point. Okay, or one common vertex. Okay, it's called a angle. Okay, okay, and the angle is formed by the intersecting of two lines or two line segments. Okay, the angle is formed by the intersecting of two lines or two line segments. Okay, are called angles. Okay, the angle means the measure of distance between the two lines when they are intersect each other is called a angle. Okay, next we move on to the complementary angles. Okay, what do you mean by the complementary? The complementary angles. Okay, what do you mean by the complementary angles? Okay, the complementary angles means the sum of measure of two angles is it becomes 190 degree. Okay, complementary means the sum of measure of two angles is 90 degree. Okay, the sum of measure of two angles. Okay, two angles is 90 degree. Such type of angles are called complementary angles. Okay, let's see one example. Okay, this is one angle. Okay, here this is an angle A, here A B C. Okay, it having a 60 degree angle of 60. The measure of the angle is 60 degree. And you see one more angle, that is PQR. Okay, here the measure of angle is 30 degree. Okay, here angle A and angle Q are complementary angles, because of when we are adding these two angles we get a 90 degree. Okay, the sum of measure of two angles is 90 degree. Okay, here when we are adding these two angles, we get 90 degree. It means the angle A and angle Q. Angle A plus angle Q, how much we get? 60 plus 30, we get 90 degree. Okay, so these two angles are complementary angles. Okay, complementary angles means the sum of measure of two angles is 90 degree, are called complementary angles. Okay, now next move on to the supplementary angles. Okay, supplementary angles. What do you mean by the supplementary angles? The supplementary angles means the sum of measure of two angles is 180 degree. Okay, the sum of measure of two angles. Okay, the sum of measure of two angles is 180 degree, is called a supplementary angles. Okay, for example, let's see. Okay, here this is a one of the angle, the measure of angle is 120 degree. Okay, this is 120 degree. Now you see one more angle, that is this is also a one more angle. The measure of the angle is 60 degree. Okay, this is A B C, here also P Q R. Okay, here the both the angles are supplementary angles, because of when we are adding these two angles we get 180 degree. Okay, the supplementary angles are like this. Okay, the sum of measure of two angles is 180 degree. Okay, and the complementary means the sum of measure of two angles is 90 degree, and the supplementary means the sum of measure of two angles is 180 degree. Okay. Okay students, in this class we learnt about some of the geometrical figures and complementary angles and supplementary angles. Okay, in next class we will continue this and we will discuss it about the adjacent angles. Okay, thank you.